In the last video, we launched our app on the emulator and also compiled the APK file. In this video, I'll try to explain how to compile the app for iOS and upload it to the App Store. To start with, you need to open the console and navigate to the iOS folder. In this folder, we need to execute the pod install command. There. The command was successfully selected. We have installed extensions specifically for iOS. Now we need to launch Xcode. Here it is, already running. Open our project folder. Then go to the iOS folder. And here select the runner, Xe workspace file, and click Open here. Our project opened. Let's check the main. Go to the General tab. Make sure that the identifier here is the one we entered in our script. Here we can also change the version. Go to the Sign and Composites tab. Here you will need to create an account in the App Store. And link it here. It is linked through Settings. Settings, Account, and here you can add it. After that, you can sign your app with your account. Next, go to the App Store page and create an app. Choose the iOS platform. Specify Demo App here. Select the default language. Let it be English US. Bundle ID. At the moment, there is nothing here, although it is recommended. Let's try to do this. Go back to Xcode and try to run our app. I'll pause for now. The compilation is complete, and we see our app in the emulator. Next, we return to our apps. Add App. Choose iOS, write the name of your app here, choose the language, and after the first compilation in Xcode, that is, this bundle identifier will appear here. Since I already have a test app created, it is already occupied, so there is no new one. Here, this identifier is also specified, that is, iocodico.demo. Unlimited access and create. The app I created is still empty. Nothing is filled in it. I return to Xcode and will publish this app in the App Store. To do this, go to the Product section and select Archive. It reconfigures our app, compiles the source files. By the way, you can also change the icon here. And here, in this case, we see our compiled app. After that, we click Distribute App, select App Store Connect, and click Distribute. This procedure will take time, so I'll pause for now. After compilation and uploading to the App Store, this window appears. This means the upload was successful. We return to our app. Refresh the page. Here is our bundle. We don't have encryption, so just save it. That's basically enough to publish, submit for review. And if the review is successful, your app will be published. In this case, my review button doesn't work because fields like screenshots, description, keywords need to be filled out. And general data, that is login data, test data, so that the review can check the security of your app. So that's basically how compiling and publishing an app in the App Store looks like.